I'm here to show you that healthy cooking can be affordable, easy, and absolutely delicious. Today I'm going to show you my soba noodles with chicken and seaweed. This is only 311 calories. The first thing I'm going to do is marinate my chicken. So I need cubed up chicken, and I'm just going to pour in some teriyaki sauce. You can leave this to marinate in your fridge for at least 30 minutes or even longer if you'd like a richer flavor. So our chicken has now been marinating for the last 30 minutes and now it's ready to cook. First we'll heat up some oil in our pan. Once your oil is hot, you can put the chicken in. You want to cook this well until the chicken is fully cooked through. The beautiful thing about this chicken dish is that once the teriyaki sauce starts to caramelize, it forms a lovely sheen on the chicken. When your chicken has fully cooked through, you can just put it in a bowl and set it aside for later. And now you're ready for your soba noodles. The thing I love about soba noodles is that they're made from buckwheat, which means that they're gluten-free, and so it's great for anyone who has a celiac disease or who is gluten intolerant. Another wonderful thing about soba noodles is the fact that one portion of soba noodles is about half the amount of calories compared to spaghetti. So cook your noodles according to the package instructions, and then all you want to do is put in a little bit of light soy sauce, a little bit of sesame oil, toss that to coat, and now you're ready to top it with your chicken. And sprinkle on some black sesame seeds and white sesame seeds. And finally, you're going to top this with some seaweed. Seaweed has great properties. It helps in balancing out your hormones, and it also helps to prevent thyroid problems. It also gives this dish a little bit of crunch and saltiness. And there you have it, a delicious soba noodle dish at only 311 calories that has lovely teriyaki chicken and seaweed. For more health-conscious options, you can visit my website at Food Matters.